Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ram 1500 Night Edition E-Torque. So this one has the 5.7 liter Hemi fitted with the optional E-Torque 48 volt starter slash generator. It's a pretty unique system. Oh, I like that. Looks like a deployable step. Has your multi-step tailgate, which I think... Alright, so you have to... I forget how you do it. I know it has something to do with this, but there you go. That's how you do it. So there's a little lever down there. And you do that. Then you have your barn door set up. Then this looks like this can pop out. But yeah, pretty cool. Shut this one first. Then with 2 clicks, you can drop the truck into entry-exit mode. I have to figure out how that works, because that would be pretty neat if it could pop out like that. I'm sure you guys in the comments will tell me. Total price on this, $72,805. This one's pretty much fully loaded. Now that it's dropped down into its lowest setting, let's take a look at... Backseat's a nice Harman Kardon. Let's take a look at what makes this one so special, and that's the 48 volt E-Torque system, which is right there. So what that does is it acts as a generator. So when your engine is in start stop, it uses this as the starter motor. It's a 48 volt system, has a battery located under the truck, and it uses this to start the motor quicker than any other system out there. What it also benefits with is when the engine's not at peak torque, you know, if you're just starting off from a red light, it's going to use this to produce up to 135 pound-feet of torque of thrust to get you going. It's a really neat system. Came out in 2019. And this is the first time driving one with it. Of course, you can drop the tailgate like normal. But pretty cool. Let's go ahead, take it for a drive. You can see in entry-exit mode, there's not a lot of room. bump it up into normal. Put it in tow haul mode. I mean, you have so many oh, it's racing, that's why. Your camera, controls. Aha! That's how you just deploy all that. You have apps, backup camera, surround camera, app manager. I mean, it's just... it's absolutely insane. The amount of customization that you have. I mean, it's just... frankly, it's almost overwhelming. Let me do this. Adjusting my hat. Let's go for a drive. Oh, maybe you have to hold it. I don't know, I want... oh, wait. Duh. I'm an idiot. It's located right here. I'm going to shut climate off. There we go. So now the start stop is engaged. So when the truck engages stop start, we'll be able to try out the e-torque, which should start this thing faster than any other system. Oh yeah, that's awesome. That works wonders. Gets rid of that stereotypical starter motor sound that you'll hear like if you're next to a car with start stop. It gets rid of that completely. There we go. Once you're moving, the e-torque really doesn't cut in too much. It's really designed as a start-stop system. And also, as you're decelerating, it's taking the energy that the motor's producing just by spinning, converting it, putting it into the battery, and inside the battery there's a system that converts the 48 volt current to 12 volt to power the batteries operated systems like your climate control and stuff like that. It's my first time driving the e-torque, and you know, it's a really neat system. You don't really feel it, which is a blessing or a curse depending on what part you're in. The only time I notice a discernible difference is the start-stop operation. It makes it a world of a difference. Also new since the last time I drove a Ram, virtual rearview mirror. I knew this as soon as Chevy debuted that everybody would be coming out with their version. Now Nissan has it, Ram has it, Chevy, GMC, all the major manufacturers are starting to implement this. It's ingenious because when you have a load in the back and it's stacked up higher than the window, not that you should do that bad, it's perfect. Same thing with filling the back seats all the way up to the window. Not that you should do that again, or if you have 3 people sitting back there and it's impossible to see through 3 heads, you can use the mirror. It's ingenious, and I'm so glad more manufacturers are doing this, and I really hope it gets implemented into cars as well, like Chevy's doing. You know, I want to see it in the Challenger. I want to see it in the Durango. I think it's ingenious, and if you don't like it, you can just shut it off. It's perfect. It's the way every new feature should be. If you don't like it, turn it off. There should always be a way to turn it off. Also relatively new, since the last time I drove one, heads-up display. Didn't notice that the last time, but here it is. Then again, this one's absolutely loaded. So it has a lot of features that some other ones might not have. I mean, the interior of these trucks is just, it's second to none, guys. Ram is killing the game right now. FCA is killing the game. This is the most luxurious truck on the market, hands down. Denali has nothing on this truck. The materials they use, I mean, look at the Bighorn, or I think it's the Longhorn. The Longhorn edition is just, I mean, mind-blowing. The materials they use, you sit down in it, it smells like a leather shop. Oh, that's awesome. That's the way a stop-start should be. And I'm not just saying that because I work for the dealership. I'm saying that all my reviews are non-biased. I'm not gonna say anything I don't feel is true. That is the way all stop-starts should be, is something like that. Not relying on the starter motor and hearing the engine start, have it take a little while to start. That is perfect. Never thought it would be as good as it is. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.